Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, pound yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of GBPJPY, not the 4 hour chart. To be honest, okay, I prefer to trade on the 4 hour chart only. But when I opened the 4 hour chart of GBPJPY, I was not getting a clear picture. So I thought of switching to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so today we will be discussing the chart on the 1 hour time frame. Right now, market is trading at 156.24, 156.24. This is the current market price of GBPJPY. So there is no doubt that GBPJPY is very bullish for the last couple of days. Okay, we can see that there has been a strong up move on the chart of GBPJPY, and as we all know that the most important rule of market is follow the trend. Whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market always says follow only one rule, because market has only one rule, and that is follow the trend. So if you watch or observe the trend here, then you can see that market is an uptrend, and considering the trend of the market, we should mainly be looking for buying opportunities only. Right now market is trading here. Okay, if we see market coming down, then around 155.25 there is a possibility of market taking support and reversing. So if market takes support and reverses or bounces from 155.25 level, we can go for a buy. We can take a long position. Why this level is important? Why we can expect that this level is a possible support for the market? Because of Fibonacci retracement level. And in case market fails to take support at 155.25 level, then there is a good possibility of market taking support at the 50 moving average, because here and here twice we have seen market taking support at the 50 moving average, and the 50 moving average is acting as dynamic support for the market. Dynamic support का काम कर रहा है, तो there is a good chance that market will be bouncing from the 50 moving average if it fails to bounce from the 155.25. So, and what will be the level? See, this is the dynamic support. Dynamic support में exact level नहीं होता. In dynamic support we do not have any exact level. Okay, so it can be around 155. Okay, possibly. So if you do not have the 50 moving average on your trading platform on the chart, then you can also use the 50 moving average. Okay, so that you get the proper idea. So 155.25 and 155 or 50 moving average is very important if market comes down. Okay, but I would like to take you to the economic calendar here, because you can see that BOE, Bank of England, is declaring the interest rate. Okay, there will be interest rate decision, so there will be volatility in the GBP pairs and GBPJPY. Yeah, so it will also witness some up move or down. Volatility. Okay, volatility. So if you see market breaking the line here or market being bullish, then also you can take a buy position, because this looks like a bullish flag pattern here. If I zoom in, then you can see that we have a bullish flag pattern here. So there is a possibility that if news is good enough, then market will break the flag and it will go up, because overall we can see that market is already bullish. If the news supports the trend of the market, then obviously it will break. Flag को तोड़ेगा ऊपर जाएगा. You can also take a buy position if market breaks the flag and starts going up, and your take profit target will be around 157.30 or 158 level. Okay, 157.30 is your resistance one, first resistance, and 158 is your second resistance. So as of now, you need to trade on these levels only. If market goes and reaches the 157.30 level, 157.30 level, observe the market and see how the market doing or how the market is reacting. If market is very bullish, then obviously it will break the resistance and it will go up. But if market reverses, you can also take a sell position as well. But in comparison to 157.30, okay, in comparison to 157.30, 158 is much stronger. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can take sell position, 158 and 157.30. But as of now, considering the bullishness, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Okay, so hopefully you have got the idea. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye.